YouTube, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? It was such a long time ago we did any cooking together, so today we are going to make a cookalong. I haven't done this recipe yet. That's the first time I'm going to do it, so I'm very curious if it will be good or not. If you see this video, then it turned out good. And in the meantime, we got through an app, a super awesome Amazon keto page for this channel, Living Keto. Here is the link. You can go and look at it, which product we use, what is our favorite ingredients, what tools we use, and we design awesome keto t-shirts. So if you purchase anything, you support this channel, you support that we make more of these videos. So just head to the link, check it out, and buy your favorite keto ingredients. And now let's get cooking. So here we're going to make a chicken pie keto version basically, and chicken is not my favorite because it's very lean protein and I just get really hungry, so it's not my favorite, but other people in the family likes it. So we will spice up with a lot of cream, cheese, mozzarella, bacon and ham. So this is what we're gonna make now. Let's do it. Very first step to do, preheat your oven for 350 Fahrenheit. When this is done, you head to your kitchen and you need something like this, like a pie form you can make pies in, and the food processor. And then you need a pie form like this. I will link one in the description box below. You can get it for yourself. And then a food processor. I love Bosch. They are really good. I'm very satisfied with this one. And we just mix every ingredient together into this to make the crust for our chicken pie. Okay, so you add into your food processor 1.5 cup of almond flour for another half, like this. Then you add 1 organic egg. We are going to add some melted grass-fed butter, basically 1.5 tablespoon. Then we add a little bit of quality sea salt. You can find this in the description box below. It's a very good salt. It's family owned, not processed, full of minerals. You see, it's a bit even great. Yeah, about that much you can add. Then baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon. And I know it will sound weird, but you will add a little vanilla to get a really good tasting crunch. But it's just like a very little, like 1/4 of a teaspoon, like this much. And now you just mix together all the ingredients. Okay, so this is good now. You need to get this sticky ball texture, and I suggest that you wet your hands because it's much easier to work with this. Okay, so my hands are totally wet now, and then I will try to take out the middle part like this, and then we're just going to get this out and we put it into here. So now I need to wet my hands again, and you just take your dough and spread it into your form and make it very thin as you could get. And try to make it on the sides that it's nicely going up like a real pie. And then you can cover the holes if there is any, like this with your hands. Okay, I have to say this is pretty cool. You see all the sides, no holes, and now this baby going into the oven for about 8-10 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Until our pie crust is in the oven, we will start to make the filling. I don't think we're gonna get ready in 8 minutes, but we're gonna start. Okay, let's see, what do we have. I have tons of mushrooms from the weekend as a party. Here are they, and they're really good for vitamin C source, natural vitamin C source. I'm gonna take those also. Ham, bacon, a lot of bacon. I love bacon. Here is the cheese. I will use some mozzarella cheese. Oh, I forgot to take out the chicken. Oh my god. Anyway, we will defreeze some of this in the microwave. Microwave is not my favorite thing to do, but what can you do if you forget to defreeze the food? We are going to use 2 of this size of chicken breasts, and we see how much left after it defreezes. Maybe I can even take a third one. Yeah, I will take a third one. because usually it's just half of this size. Okay, so until the meat defreezes in the microwave, we are going to set this up. No, not yet. You can add spices. I will add garlic salt for sure to this. Some white pepper. A little bit of pizza spice mix. Very good. And some quality Celtic sea salt. Like this. And then you just cook it a little bit. Okay, so this is getting ready. I think it needs to shrink a little bit more together. And I think the crust is done. I will show it to you. This is the crust. It's about 10 minutes after I put it in. And I will take it out. This baby, this how it looks. Beautiful. Look at that. It's really nice. Okay, so when the filling is done, the chicken and the cream mixed together, cooked together, then we will fill everything into this baby here. So this is done. Now we will put this into a large bowl where we can mix all the filling together. And now we will put into here the chicken with the cream and the secret ingredient to make it all together. Okay, so this is here, and let's put on the chickens now. And you add about half a kilo of chicken breast. Make sure it's organic, non-GMO. Don't want to eat that stuff. Yeah, so we just slightly cook this over. Okay, so it's cooked overly, and now we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream to this and see if that's enough. I think that's enough. And then I will add the secret ingredient to make it all together. This is beef gelatin powder. It's awesome protein source. There is 9 grams of protein in 1 serving, what is 1 tablespoon, so it's an extra boost to this food. I really like beef gelatin powder, so I will be just going a bit overboard. And now you just cook this together a little bit. You see how nicely it's melting? Just mix it together, cook it up together a bit. Okay, I think time is up. If you want, you can add eggs to it to have even more fat and protein. And now we just mix everything together. Good, so this is our filling. You can do a taste try and see if anything is missing. This is awesome. With cheese, extra bacon, perfect. Now I will fill this into the pie, and then we will put cheese on it. Like little mushrooms with the chicken equally everywhere. I have a feeling that this is going to be epic. Okay, so this how it looks. This how much left, not much left. Okay, I will top it off with a bunch of mozzarella. This is 150 grams. I think you can totally use all of them. So this is how it is. If you want to make a real pie and make this crust on the top, then just make another bunch of the crust we made in the beginning. And I think actually I'm gonna do that. So let's do it. So 1.5 cup of almond flour. Oh my god, it's a bit too much. Okay, so I think we just add a little bit more. And let's call this 1.5 cup of almond flour. We will add 1.5 tablespoon of grass-fed melted butter, a tiny little bit, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla like this. Then we need baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon like this. I will add 2 pinches of salt to this, 1 organic egg. And then again we just mix this together. And here you go. I forgot to put in the knife. Try. Okay, good. Let's see. Alright, so here is the dough again. Wet your hands is much easier to work with this if you wet your hands. So take a baking paper or baking sheet. Get your dough on it, all of them, like this. And then you can put another sheet on top like this, and you just make it flat for the crosses. Okay, I think this is pretty good. And now we will just slice it up. Okay, and then let's get the pie here. So here is the pie. I will put the bacon on top of this cheese just to make it super delicious. I will make it as a cross or a star. Maybe it's more like a star. And then I put this a little bit aside. And then you take your little lines. You can totally make a real pie out of it. I never really did a real pie. That's the first attempt. But I have a good feeling about this. A really good feeling about this. We'll take a thinner one. Good. I will have this one. And then this. And just add into it. Take a little bit less here. Okay, good. So this is how it looks. This is our pie. This is my first pie. Of course, if you did this, it can be way more pretty. And now we will put this into the oven for another 20-25 minutes. So oven set for 350 Fahrenheit, and this baby is here for another 20-25 minutes. Alright, so here is our pie. It looks definitely ready, but I'm not so happy with the color. So what we're gonna do, I will mix up 1 egg and put it on the top to get a little bit of brownish color. Over only top baking to just get a little bit brown color, because otherwise this pie is done. So this pie is a done. I would call it a done, and I'm even happy with the color now. I'm going to let the pie to cool down now, and then when it's cooled down a little bit, we will slice it up. I will show you how does it look from inside, and yeah, then the truth will come. Okay guys, this is cooled down, and we are going to cut a slice from this baby. Okay, let's do a taste try of this pie, if it's actually any good. I will take a little bit of the crunch, everything. Okay. Good. I could have used a bit more salt, but it's good. Good. I can add a little bit of sour cream. It's perfect. I'm happy. It's turned out really good. Okay guys, so this is how the pie looks like. I couldn't cut a nice triangle, but yeah, I will practice this, and it's really staying together. It's not like going everywhere. It's not liquidy. The consistency is perfect. The cutting needs some practice. I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get this awesome Living Keto shirt to support us, then hit to our shop page. Here is the link, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.